The suspense rises as the fragile outer layer of the portable self-sterilizing bottle is peeled away, revealing its sleek and stylish design. Soft LED lights softly glow as the cap is lifted, showcasing its UVC tech that purifies water in mere minutes. As fingers slide over the ultra-smooth, matte-finished texture, a whispering click reveals the built-in USB-C port for quick and efficient charging. Watch in awe as ASMR sounds of the bottle's functionality fill the room, demonstrating how it ensures every sip is pure. Perfect for hiking enthusiasts and health-conscious travelers, this innovation redefines portability with its eco-friendly appeal. Wrapping up with a mini verdict: revolutionary transformation for the road, game changer.